In the ever-evolving world of the most profitable side hustles, women are increasingly taking the reins. From creative ventures to tech startups, these diverse sidelines not only generate income but also empower women, fostering independence and innovation. The rise of women entrepreneurs is a testament to the changing dynamics of the economy and the power of innovation. But as with any venture, challenges are inherent. For women, these hurdles often involve balancing multiple responsibilities. Our daily lives are a whirlwind of tasks, from work to personal commitments. Add to this the entrepreneurial dream, and it's like walking a tightrope. Time management becomes a puzzle, and allocating resources a constant juggle. The pursuit of additional income shouldn't mean sacrificing peace of mind or precious moments with loved ones. These challenges, while formidable, are not insurmountable. The solution? Automated side hustles. Automated side hustles are the new frontier in entrepreneurship, offering a solution to the balancing act many women face. Imagine the world of entrepreneurship, where you set things in motion and they continue to operate with minimal supervision. That's the beauty of automated side hustles. They're designed to function with little daily input, allowing you to focus on other responsibilities. Let's take a look at some examples. Print on demand. You create designs, list them online, and your supplier handles the rest. Printing, packing, and shipping. Or consider dropshipping. You sell products without having to worry about inventory or shipping. The supplier does all the heavy lifting. Then there's affiliate marketing, where you earn a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. These ventures can turn a profit 24/7, even while you're sleeping or taking care of your family. With automated side hustles, the potential for earning is not just substantial, but also scalable and flexible. Automated side hustles offer unique benefits to women entrepreneurs. They provide flexibility, allowing you to work at your own pace. Their scalability lets you grow your business when you're ready. Plus, they generate passive income. Automated side hustles, thus, are more than just a source of income. They're a tool for empowerment, a testament to the spirit of women entrepreneurs. Are you ready to explore the world of automated side hustles? Share your success stories, engage with us. Remember, the world of entrepreneurship is at your fingertips. All you need is the courage to explore it. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and join the revolution today.